Welcome to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We know now, more than ever, that you want to avoid long check-in lines and being around other people. This is why we're ready to host you in your own private villa, creating the perfect safe zone for your next vacation. We are committed to making your stay as memorable and safe as possible. This is why we have implemented the following preventive measures, which begin before your arrival. It's time for you to rediscover the pleasure of traveling to one of the most exclusive spots in the Caribbean, Punta Cana. Once you enter your private villa, you can be worry-free and let your vacation truly begin. Experience a unique vacation where you'll be able to forget about social distancing protocols and truly immerse yourself in the beauty of the most eastern coast of the Dominican Republic. Kick back and get ready to enjoy the resort's many amenities, such as taking a sunset bike ride, relaxing in your own private pool, playing a challenging round of golf at the one and only Corrales Golf Course, taking a private tennis class, or enjoy its pristine white sand beaches. We look forward to being a part of creating one of your most unforgettable and unique family vacations. Don't know where to travel next? Choose Punta Cana, the ultimate safe zone.